To hello bab song by tomai kenong bagai tini tiki se kok berko explain video tu fike mo ngai women college ni sport round admission women college ni gana ji bufuru thangin rok admission mane je women college form fill up khaijak rok sport round admission no gana rok video no pulai sing paithak jara nai tong bujibo na gathai video diki thalai jana to aro sijak tongo bab song vacancy list publication vacancy list publication के बारतारिक 7/2024 4 PM तिखलाई संगे the application for distribution receipt abo के 15 तारिख ते 16 तारिख जुलाई रिजाक नाय गते कैसे सिजाक दंगना जेरो publication merit list abo के merit list publication merit list sport round ni 18 तारिख 7/2024 at 4 PM merit list रिजाक नाय गते सिजाक दंबा सं admission for sport round 19 तारिख ते 22 तारिख ते 23 तारिख admission sport round ni admission भुरि जानाय 19 तारिख 22 तारिख 23 तारिख आबो sport round ni admission a student can apply for maximum 2 major subject genorok apply ma khane major subject duita students should bring the following document bracket tongo along with application ketam tamna nanglai ji noroni women college admission sport round admission ni bagai tam document na nang 1 copy of passport size photo the 2 number tongo online application form 3 number tongo madhyamik admit card 4 number tongo high secondary mark sheet 3 number tongo aadhar card 6 number tongo credit certificate IF khaklayo video no hamgano buji makana hanai video no full aya kaka buji mangla video full anje kaka buji manai hambai next video malai nai